Good evening. Welcome to Current Affairs. In today's session, we'll be looking at the statement that is made by the government on the floor of the parliament, and that is with respect to the huge crop loss in India during the years 2017 and 2019. Let's look into that. Apart from this, after many years, more than 100 years in India, the Mandarin duck has been seen. So it was found, and what is the story with this? Let's try to understand. But before that, let me open the document and let me show you the document. Kindly look at this. As per the recent report of the government, the total crop loss during 2017-2019 is, so this is in million hectares. Is it 58.89 or 18.176 million hectares, 16.176 or 17.176? And the correct answer is option B. So this is 18.176 million hectares. So much of crop was lost in India because of the floods during 2017 to 2019. Now I would like to show you more points on this. Look at this. The government of India has shared data. Data means information. So the data has been shared in the Lok Sabha on February 11th, 2021, that India has suffered a huge crop loss on 18.176 million hectares of land. Very important. So much of land, so much of crop has been lost. And the crop loss on 18.176 million hectares land amounts roughly to, look at this, 8.5% of the total gross cropped area. So there was a huge loss with respect to the crops in India during the years 2017 to 2019. And what is the reason? The reason is that it occurred due to floods. Very important one. So what is the total land here, and what is the approximate percentage, and what is the year, and what is the reason? All these are important for the examination point of view, and especially when you are writing the main examination, please use this type of data. Next, another very important one. Recently, which state has launched a police museum themed on the dacoits to showcase their stories? Important one. Recently, which state has launched a police museum themed on the dacoits to showcase their stories? Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, or Maharashtra? Please make a note of this. The correct answer is option A, that is Madhya Pradesh. So look at this. So these are the points related here. The state of Madhya Pradesh has launched a police museum at police headquarters in Bind. It is a unique museum themed on the dacoits to show their stories. The museum contains several unique items that were used by dacoits, namely the Pulandevi, Nirbhai Gujar. So these are all the dacoits, right? And they have showcased the items that were used by these people. And if you look at, Chambal, you must be aware of this Chambal Valley. It is a geographical and cultural region located in the north central India. Hopefully you all know about this. The region is situated along the Chambal and Yamuna river valleys. It covers the areas of southeastern Rajasthan, southwestern Uttar Pradesh, and northern Madhya Pradesh. And this region is well known for its badlands and ravine systems. The region has hosted huge number of dacoits. That is the reason why this particular valley, this particular region is considered to be notoriously significant because of the hosting of large number of dacoits. And this is a part of greater Vindhyan basin, and it covered by 5 lakh hectares of bad lands. Important one, so kindly remember these points too. Next, recently, in which state Mandarin duck was spotted after 118 years? In which state Mandarin duck was spotted after 118 years? Tripura, Assam, Karnataka, or West Bengal? And the answer is Assam. So please remember this. So the Mandarin duck, which is a colorful duck from Eastern Asia, was spotted in Assam recently after 118 years. Kindly remember, all these points are important for the examination point of view. I'll stop at this stage and I'll see you in the next class. Thank you so much.